To create a sign-up sheet on Google Forms, start by searching for Google Forms in your browser and signing in to your account. If you're already signed in, click on the Go to Forms option on the top right-hand side of the screen. From the home page, select a blank form and give it a title, such as Sign Up for Event. You can also add a subheading and customize the theme by clicking on the color palette icon and choosing a header style, size, and image. Once you've set up the form, you can start adding questions. Click on the Untitled Question field to type your question, and select the Short Answer option. You can also make the question required by toggling the switch on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. To add more questions, click on the plus icon and repeat the process. You can choose from various question types, such as multiple choice, and make each question required. As you create your form, you can view the responses you receive by clicking on the Responses tab. You can also customize the settings by clicking on the Settings tab, where you can change presentation and response options, as well as collect email addresses. When you're ready to share your form, click on the Send option and choose how you want to distribute it, such as via email or link. You can also shorten the link to make it easier to share. By following these steps, you can create a sign-up sheet on Google Forms to collect information from participants or event attendees.